of Cooking and Loving. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful chocolate dessert. I know, I love chocolates, and the previous video I noticed lots of people loved that dessert, you know, the chocolate roll. It's a new year. I hope you all are happy new year. Hopefully this year will be better than the last one. But anyway, sigla. So today I'll be making a chocolate lava tartlet. Now it's basically a chocolate cake with oozing chocolate coming from inside. Now this is for 4 cups, so you know, cakes this size. Anyway, the ingredients are 150 grams of dark chocolate, 1 egg yolk, 2 full eggs, 20 grams of flour 00 type, 10 grams of dark cacao powder, 80 grams of butter, 90 grams of powdered sugar, and 1 vanilla pod. So here we have our bar of chocolate. I'm going to chop this up into individual pieces. This takes like 10 minutes to make, 10 to 15 minutes to cook, and overall it's really simple to make if you can make it really fast. Like, just say like someone's coming over unexpectedly or expectedly and you want to surprise them with a very delicious dessert. Make this. This is like very good. Alright, so firstly I'm going to put all of these chocolate, this beautiful chocolate, into here. Next step, open up the vanilla pot to get all the seeds inside. I already showed this several times, so hopefully you guys already know how to do it. I accidentally like snapped this in half. 1 second. Open it up and there's the beautiful seeds. Look at that. That's just, and it smells good too. Alright, so let's get all of this out, if I can even handle it. And here are our beautiful seeds. This is for the preparation. Let's continue. Okay, I'm gonna start boiling this water. This water, or heating up, this water is used to melt the chocolate, as we call it in Italy, bagno Maria. In the meantime, we can put in our 2 full eggs, 1 yolk, and the powdered sugar. Start whisking this. Okay, now let's add the vanilla at this point. And now let's continue mixing, and just for a couple more minutes. This is done. Let's go and melt this beautiful butter. Well, this is the beautiful butter and this beautiful chocolate. So, okay, so the water is nice and hot. It doesn't need to boil. I'm gonna put this to minimum. In goes the chocolate. I'm gonna heat the chocolate up using. Don't you love melted chocolate? I think everyone does. Okay, so this is pretty much done. I'm gonna add in the butter now. Like this. No. By the way, take your time. You don't wanna like burn the chocolate. You don't wanna stress it out. You wanna let it relax. Okay. It is done. I'm gonna turn it off and wait, you know, just 1 minute for it to cool down. This into there. Because then you see the transformation of the color. Okay, the chocolate is finally cooled down. Now, this is the beautiful part. Oh yeah. Okay, so all the chocolate's inside. I preheated my oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Started. Okay, now let's see. Okay, we can remove these because we're already done with these. We don't need them anymore. Last step. Okay, cocoa. This is going to be in contrast colors in the flour. Look at that. Use this to help you. Okay, now we're going to use fold this in. Now the secret is in the buttering of the mold. I buttered my mold, bottom to the sides, everywhere. And now to help that, to get the cake easily removed, I'm going to add some brown sugar to the bottom. Might cover it around. Okay, so really the last thing to do is to put this into the molds, put it to 3/4, because you don't want to overflow it, because then it's going to rise. So bake these for around 13 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Pay attention, you want them to rise, but not overcook, because otherwise it won't be like nice and liquid inside. I'll see you then. Okay, so this is how it turned out. This looks very, very nice. Look at it. I'm going to wait for this to cool down, and then I'm going to put it on my plate right here. I'm going to present it. The reason I'm waiting for it to cool down is because when I take it out, I don't want to break it. Because when you break it, that oozing lava chocolate that's inside it will just come out and you'll feel very sad. The best way to eat this is when the person who's eating it opens it up, and then that's when the chocolate comes out. That's how we want it to be. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, probably like a minute or two, but this smells fantastic. This only took like 10 minutes to make, 13 minutes to cook, so under 30 minutes, you've made a perfect dessert. Okay, so this is finally done. The presentation, everything, some whipped cream, strawberries, and the masterpiece. I also prepared one for my little brother, Brandon. Brandon, come here. Because he loves chocolate, this boy. Right? Firstly, how much do you love chocolate? 100?
Yeah.
100%, okay.
I just like things.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's show you. Look at the oozing chocolate. Look at that. Look at this beauty.
Ooh, you're taking strawberry.
Yeah, he loves strawberries. Okay, for the taste then, this is going to be fantastic. 3, 2, 1.
I can't even do it.
Gentle.
Yum.
Yes.
Yummy.
You like it?
Look at all of it.
This bite is worth your time. As I said before, this is worth your time. Even though it took a little bit of time, this is fantastic. As I said before, I hope all of you had a very, very happy New Year and a very jolly Christmas. Hopefully this year is better than last year. Alla prossima. Ciao!